let's go stand over here.
Okay, stand right here, Aiden.
Oh, scoot this way a little bit more.
Hey, look how I feel.
Okay, everybody smile. Say cheese. Who came to our house?
Easter Bunny. Should we go see what he brought us? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Jax, this is you. This is all your stuff. Wow. Jax is eating all the jelly beans. Raiden's getting some eggs. Happy Easter, Dad.
Happy Easter, Mom.
Look, Jax, there's some down here. Look right there. Get it. I see it down here too. Good job, Raiden.
Go fish! We're seeing what's inside of our eggs now, huh, Jaxie? Come on, pull!
Gosh, you guys, the Easter Bunny left something else. Whoa, the Easter Bunny left you guys skateboards? What the heck?
Everybody say Happy Easter!
Happy Easter!
Happy